Today is Friday, June 9th, and this is Hank Wietek from the East Tower Crane here at Kindred. You can see the West Tower Crane here. Below me, I've got the Kindred Hotel to be managed by Rock Resorts. You can see they're framing up the structural columns here for the hotel. It seems to be almost touching the gondola. As we come this way, we see the Mountain Services Building and Ticket Center. And then in the foreground, right over in here, we've got the Events Plaza. And then furthest away, I've got the West Tower. You can see they poured the second floor yesterday. The whole first floor is now framed. You can see the parking garage below that. You can see the elevator shaft in for the second floor. You can see some structural steel starting to go in on the second floor. Incredible setting. Buffalo off in the distance. The gondola right here. The Snake River wetlands. The river up to the River Run ski slopes. Everything's really taking shape out here in early June.